Hi, welcome to today's lesson. And the lesson is on elective maths, Wassce 2022, question number 2. That's a private candidate. And the question was on binary operations. And the question reads, a binary operation, this is the operation sign, is defined on the set of real numbers R by x operating on y is equal to xy plus x plus y, where x and y are members of R, which are real numbers. Find A, identity element, B, value of x if x operating on x is equal to 48. So let's look at how we solve that. So we look at the first one. We are asked to find the identity element. And when you talk of identity element, they are the numbers that's when you operate on them, or you operate the identity element on that number, you still get the same number. So with this one, we are saying that when you have x operating on the identity element, it should be equal to operating the identity element on the number. On the number, you get the same number. Get the same number. So that is it. So it means that the operation sign given is x operating on y is equal to xy plus x plus y. So it means when you have x operating on the identity element, it should give you x times the identity element plus x plus y plus the identity element should give you the same number, which is x. So with this, we should find the identity element. So first, we have to send this one here. So x e plus e is equal to x minus x. So with this, we can factor e out because we want the e, which is identity element. X minus 1 or plus 1 is equal to 0. We divide here by x plus 1, here by x plus 1. So identity element e is equal to 0 over x plus 1. And you know, 0 over any number except 0 is 0. So e is equal to 0. So therefore, the identity element is 0. The identity element is 0. Now we look at the second one, the b. So with the b, we are asked to find the value of x if x operating on x is equal to 48. So we substitute it into the operation. So x operating on x will give us x multiplying x plus another x should give us 48. So we have x squared plus 2x is equal to 48. So this one will come here. We have x squared plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0. So here we look at two numbers that multiply to give you negative 48, but add to give you positive 2. And this one, you are going to have 8 and negative 6. When you multiply them, you get negative 48. When you add them, you get positive 2. So we have x squared plus 8x minus 6x plus 48. Sorry, minus 48 equal to 0. So with this, you have x out, x plus 8 minus 6 out, x plus 8 equal to 0. So x minus 6, x plus 8 equal to 0. So with this, x is equal to x minus 6 equal to 0. Then x plus 8 equal to 0. So we find our x is equal to 6 or x is equal to negative 8. So therefore, our x is equal to 6 or negative 8. And this brings us to the end of this question. Continue to subscribe to Francois Math Class. Have a nice day and bye-bye.